distance. Holy crap, you guys can see that? Jeez, that's not good. I'm gonna go check that out. Holy. What's going on? Oh, those are fireworks. Never mind. I thought we had a fire going on over there. Never mind. Anyways, grabbing the half drag. That did not sound good. Anyways, yeah, kind of neat. I'm gonna go pull it up in front of the shop so you can all see. And yeah, I'll see you then. All right, everybody. Like I said in that opening clip, the Aiden's going again with one light, but that's fine. Anyways, Aiden's going again. There's a little bit of update on the project. I had recorded everything that everything I did on this. I rebuilt the engine, recorded it, rebuilt the tracks, recorded it, uploaded it to the new computer, and boom, everything's gone. All the files I can't find anymore. I must have pressed the wrong button somewhere. So I'm sorry about that. I didn't try to, I promise. But that's the way it goes, I guess. So you won't be able to see that. But, at least you can see the finished project, which looks pretty dang cool. I just got done driving it, and stuff, and it tears up the ground pretty good. One thing I noticed, I got to put these tracks backwards. You're not supposed to put them backwards. When I saw in an old ARPS manual I found online, they're not supposed to be backwards, but I think it works better. Other than this one, like this one, it works good in reverse. It lines straight up, but in forward, it doesn't line up very good or as good as that side will. So I think it'll work better if I just flip this track around one day. But I might just run it the way it is for now and see actually which one's better. Have a little bit more time on it and decide then. But yeah, as you can see, it runs. It's not missing. It just has an exhaust leak. It's right here, this flange. I gotta wait for it to cool down. And I read that on a Facebook group that if you just take a pop can, you slide it over them and you cinch it over the pop can, it sounds a lot better, quieter, and it actually puts it through the exhaust. And then right now I have a come along holding the two track frames from, spreading apart like that. Before I build 4 U-bolts for the back here. I have some all thread that go over these axles. So yeah, and then I gotta tighten them down and figure out, I don't know how tight these tracks should be, but that's a little bit too close for comfort, because if that wheel went up, it would jam and shoot up and wreck a fender. The fenders already have been a little bit damaged from tire chains last winter and stuff, and so it's fine, it'll be fine. So anyways, also I got the Sherman over under on it, so when I do take my tracks off, I can go 25 miles an hour. Not that I need to, but I have the option to now. So yeah, kind of cool. And hopefully this winter we take it out into the field over yonder. And until then, we're gonna keep plugging away on it. Got a little bit left to do, like I said, that track, possibly building the U-bolts, rewiring the whole thing. I got lights working up front. I got a new switch and stuff working for one light. I gotta get this light, it's burnt out. And then I have a housing for the back here. This one's rotted apart. And so I found someone with a front light for sale on eBay for $40. That's in the same condition, so it'll match somewhat. And I'll just use that in the back. So yeah, that'll work nice. And then figure out what else is gonna break on this thing and fix that, and probably rebuild the carburetor too, because that is now leaking like a sieve. So that's not good. But anyways, just want to give you a small update on the thing. All right, here we go. Also, if anyone knows or owns another half-track setup or knows someone with one, if it's possible, please tell me in the comments and say that, hey, I have a friend, or I own this one, I can get pictures of it for you, and it's a Bombardier set, or it's this tube frame style, or any track system on a tractor of this vintage, like even the Alice or the other Fords. If you have any information on them, any manuals or anything on them, I'd be happy to take a look at them. Possibly email them to me, or just put a comment below saying hey and stuff, and I'll reply back most likely. And chances are pretty high I will reply back. And so just do that, and then I'd be greatly appreciated because I know basically nothing about, these tracks. I found an ARPS manual for a later ARPS set. This is Bombardier's set, so even different. The only similarities are the tracks. These are ARPS tracks, by the way, not Bombardier. So anyways, I'm just going to shut up right now. I'm getting way off track. Video's getting too long, so I'm going to shut up, and I'll see y'all later.